Hi, my name's Alex McLeod, and in this video I'm going to show you one simple way to increase the flow of Reiki energy. But before we begin, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section down below. And if you'd like to help me get this message out to as many people as possible, please leave a like, subscribe, and share with your friends who might be interested or need it. Have you ever tried to use a garden hose? You turned it on, but the water's not coming out. Then you look through the entire length of the hose and find that the reason that the water's not coming out is that there's one section that's kinked or bent or crushed, or something else is causing that section of the hose to be collapsed. Well, in most people, the energy pathways from the entrance where energy comes in down to the exit where the Reiki energy comes out is like that garden hose. It has a kink or bend in it that is preventing the energy from flowing properly out and through. If you unbend or open the kink in the hose, you get more water flow. In the same way, if you clear out what is causing the energy pathways to be bent or kinked or whatever, you get more energy flow. The main kink in the energy hose is muscular tension. There are two ways to open this kink in the energy pathway: the direct way and the indirect way. The direct way is better and faster, but most people don't know how to do it. The indirect way takes a longer time, but pretty much everybody can do it. The direct method to release the muscular tension is to simply relax the muscles. This is hard for most people at first because we are so used to not being relaxed muscularly, so that even if you think you've relaxed the muscles, they're still tense. As an example, I'm going to run you through two exercises, one using the direct way and one using the indirect way. This should demonstrate my point. The indirect way is to first tense the muscles, hold the tension, and then release it. This is much easier for most people, and it lets you get rid of some hidden tension that you didn't know you were carrying around. So let's go ahead and try the two exercises and see how you feel they differ. Let's start with the direct method. So if you would, simply sit or stand upright, close your eyes, gently open the mouth, and relax. Relax the face, the jaw muscles. Relax the neck and shoulder muscles. Relax the upper arms, the lower arms, and the hands. And now use your Reiki. Feel how the flow feels in this state. And when you're ready, gently think of your abdomen and open your eyes. Remember that feeling, because next we're going to do the indirect method. You may have felt completely relaxed from that, You may not have, but this next exercise should reveal to you whether or not you were. So, if you're ready, please sit or stand upright. Gently close the eyes and open the mouth. And I want you to tense the muscles of the face. Tense, 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 and release. Now the jaw. Tense, 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 and release. The neck. Tense, 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 and release. The shoulders. Tense, 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 and release. The upper arms. Tense, 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 and release. The forearms. Tense, 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 and release. The hands. Make a fist. Tense, 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 and release. Now, use your Reiki and feel the difference. When you're ready, gently think of your abdomen and open your eyes. How did you feel? Did you think one was stronger than the other? If you're experienced in completely relaxing your body, you may have felt that the direct method was stronger, and it is if you're practiced in it. But the indirect method is, for people who aren't practiced in it, much, much more reliable. Now, I first experienced the indirect method in a guided meditation led by the yogi and YouTuber Sadhguru. And I noticed that what he was doing was leading people who he didn't know their ability levels into a meditative state by using the indirect method to release all of the physical tension in the body. But the direct method, the first time I experienced that, was with my teacher, Sifu Grandmaster Wang Kyu-Kit. And he basically led us into a complete relaxation. Because he was there in the room with us, he could actually push us into a more relaxed state. The direct method is much more useful when you either have a master there who can notice when you're not completely relaxed and get you to relax more, or when you're practiced in relaxing the body, very practiced in relaxing the body, and can do it at will. Did you feel a difference in the two methods? Comment on which was your favorite down below. Tell me what the difference was for you. If you're not used to being able to completely relax the body, I suggest you practice this second method at least a couple times a day, so that you can get used to the feeling of having the muscles relaxed. And although this wasn't a Reiki healing or anything like that, because you did increase the flow of energy, I do suggest that you increase the amount of water you drink today and get some more good rest. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll get to them as soon as possible. And if you would like to help us reach more people, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends who may be interested in this. In this video, we talked about one way that you could dramatically increase the flow of Reiki energy, and showed you 2 different ways to go about doing it. If you'd like to learn more about Reiki, I have a playlist over here somewhere. And if you'd like to learn more about meditation, I have an intro to meditation course at heartlotus.guru/meditation intro. It's free. Just sign up. The link's in description. I have videos coming out on Tuesdays and Fridays every week at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.